Hello everyone, my name's Callie, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about nursing. Do you remember that question we all got when we were kids? What do you want to be when you grow up? There was always a slew of answers from doctor to police officer to firefighter. My answer was always a nurse. Nurses are important because they advocate for patients and help them in their healing process. Many people assume nursing is a relatively new, this age kind of profession, but really forms of nursing started as far back as the 18th century. Nursing is the largest healthcare profession in the nation. According to Right at Home, nurses are the backbone of healthcare. I'm going to demonstrate today why this is true. According to Johns Hopkins Nursing, a recent Gallup poll says nursing is the most trusted profession in America for the 22nd straight year. I'm going to explain to you why nursing is considered one of the most important and trusted professions. First, I'm going to talk with you about the history of nursing, how it all started, and how we got to where we are now. Second, I'm going to discuss why nursing is so important to us and explain why it's regarded as one of the most trusted professions today. Let us first discuss the history of nursing so you better understand how far we have come. A lot of people say that nursing began with this lady named Florence Nightingale. She was a British woman who brought a group of nurses to aid her British soldiers in 1854. She created a set of principles organized around a set of ideas that showed how nurses should be educated. With these principles, we could better promote health in the care of patients. Before hospitals, it was common practice for your family just to take care of your sickness. You only got care from someone outside of your family if it was something really bad like a plague or an epidemic. Thankfully, as we became more urbanized, the creation of hospitals came with that. Unfortunately, although we were moving in the right direction, there was not a standard of care. You could have one hospital that had really high quality patient care, and then you could have one that was the complete opposite with really poor training and care. We soon realized how important it was to have good nursing and how that affected the patient's well-being. During the Civil War, we needed a lot of hands-on nursing, almost 20,000 people, to care for the wounded. This caused the initiative to set up training programs for nursing. In the 1870s, multiple nursing schools opened. Penn Nursing says this was the beginning of a professional nursing education in the United States. In the 1890s, the number of nurses grew and nursing became a real profession. Nursing was now regulated, so you had to pass testing and go to school to become certified and become a nurse. Now, nursing is the largest healthcare profession. Although hospitals have become more modernized and now nurses have more access to training, schooling, and guidance, the way that nurses have consistently demonstrated their ability to adapt to changing and varied healthcare needs has not changed. Now, let us discuss the importance of nurses, the roles they play in healthcare, and why they are regarded as one of the most trusted professions. Nurses are their patients' biggest advocate. They help guide their patients and patients' families. Nurses do more than just care for their patients, though. They are responsible for running departments, teaching new nurses, and promoting a healthy living. Every day, they have the responsibility of people's lives in their hands, and they use their knowledge and provide excellent and genuine care. We have all dealt with a nurse at least once in our lives. They are in every community, no matter how small. I really enjoyed how the American Nursing Association put it when they described nursing as both a heart and a mind. The heart shows compassion, while the mind uses the complex skills it needs to care for the patients. I know I have personally dealt with a few nurses while giving birth to my children, and the way they treated me was phenomenal. They were knowledgeable, kind, and personable. They are a huge part of why I'm interested in this field. According to Johns Hopkins Nursing, 79% of people said that nurses have the highest ethical standard among all professions. The fact that the general public has come together and agreed on something is huge. Nurses are regarded as honest and caring. Not only is their quality of care high, but they are with you on your worst and your hardest days. Their job is to care for you, and they truly do. Nursing has been important and taken place since centuries ago. We have made strides and leaps to grow in this field. The importance of nursing is so clear. Without them, we would not have a healthcare advocate or a shoulder to cry on. As I stated before, they are both the heart and the mind, and our healthcare system relies heavily on them. I'm excited about how far nursing has come, and I cannot wait to see where it will go.